Hey there, Kate from Packhelp here. Today, I'm going to help you design your own box. I don't think there are any strict rules that you have to follow. What's important is that the box is yours, that it corresponds well with your product, that it reflects your company's values, and draws the interest of customers. That's what's going to make it authentic. Quality packaging adds value to your brand. That's why I've prepared 6 tips for you to follow to create a very interesting box. Tip number 1, top of the box. It's the first thing the customer sees as their box arrives or in the storefront. So focus on this. This is where all the attention is centered. Your logo has to be on there, whether you choose color or a minimalist approach. Tip number 2, avoid edges and angles. Don't place your logo or any important information in these places because it might go unnoticed. You want it safe, nice and center. Also avoid the bottom of the box because no one's going to look there. Tip number 3, side walls. Don't leave them out. They take up a lot of space when it comes to the whole box, so it's a good idea to either put a smaller version of your logo or a fun message, maybe your website, something to catch the eye. Tip number 4, another interesting thing you can add onto your box is your social media info, so that your clients can follow you through other channels. A great way to get your customers involved is to have a specific hashtag that goes on your box. Tip number 5, internal printing. A message inside the box stays in the customer's head, so use this area to say, "Hello, thank you for shopping," or just leave a funny message that'll make the customer smile. Or like here, together with an edgy drawing. Finally, tip number 6. So regardless on whether you decided to go full color and full graphics, or even if you decided to go with a minimalist approach, just remember that every little detail counts. Then you can be sure that they will catch your customer's attention, provide them with a pleasant experience and positive emotions as they unbox your package. All right, now it's time for you to get busy with the creational process. And remember, you're only limited by your own imagination. Leave a like under this video if my hints were helpful for you, and hit the subscribe and bell button so you don't miss any more great content coming your way. See you soon.